Being involved in bullying or violence, as a bully or as a victim, changes how your mind and body work. Research and science show clear patterns: lower well-being, slower learning, and narrower life choices without support. Frequent threat primes the brain for danger. Anxiety rises, mood drops, and sleep is harder to stabilize. Under chronic stress, the hypothalamic, pituitary, adrenal axis can go off rhythm. Cortisol timing shifts. The body carries more allostatic load, the wear and tear from staying on permanent alert. The stress response drives up blood pressure, raises inflammatory signals, and pushes blood sugar higher. Over time, this means fatigue, slower recovery, and higher health risks. When you don't feel safe or you don't belong, focus and working memory drop. Engagement and grades follow. All roles carry costs. Victims show more internal stress like anxiety and sadness. Perpetrators show more stress overload and disengagement. In all roles, the strain can also lead to depression, self-harm, and suicide. Bully victims carry both loads and the highest risk. You are not stuck. You need coordinated support across safety, skills, sleep, and belonging. Recovery is possible. Protect safety, build belonging, train calm communication skills, stabilize sleep, move daily. These change biology and behavior. Not being involved in bullying, choosing not to harm, and getting help if you're harmed has a large positive impact on well-being, learning, and long-term health. Each action step makes you stronger. What works? Actionwork.